going to start the game at fullback. Yes.
So Richard definitely way ahead of Quaylon.
Well, I mean, he's right there. All those guys are definitely going to play.
Okay.
So.
Do you think it'll be by committee, and by that, the tailbacks carries could be pretty even in that first game when it shakes out?
If it shakes out that way, I'm definitely going to try to make sure that those guys get it going as early as possible. But you don't want to pull anybody out of a rhythm, as well. So you want to make sure that those guys, that if they're in a rhythm, if they're feeling good, and if one guy is starting to catch on, then he may get more shares than the other. But I don't foresee that being the case. Just as far as just one guy just outdoing all the other ones. But we'll see. We'll see.
What percentage has Richard gotten tailback? What percentage?
Probably about 50-50.
Really?
Probably about 50-50.
With the tailbacks, is there a sense of wanting to give all these guys a fair shot in a game to let them try and separate from each other?
The fair shots come now, so to speak. That's where the fair shots come. But those guys, they definitely have earned playing time. So you definitely going to play those guys. As far as the fair share or the line share of things, I don't know. I think that's sort of getting hashed out right now in practice.
When a guy like Gurley has those scrimmage stats, should we take that for real? Are you taking it for?
Yeah, you definitely you have to put that in with the rest of his performances as well. Now he's had a very strong camp. He had a very, very strong camp, but he is not the only one either. Ken and both Keith have had. They had impressive camps. All those guys have been doing it. So you want to make sure that all those guys are sort of shored up on all aspects of their game right now going into it, because you're going into a league that will take advantage of any kind of weakness that you have. At any position and as a unit. Offensively especially. So you want to make sure that there's that they keep progressing. You want to keep progressing them, but all those guys are going to play and all those guys are going to, hopefully all of them going to see a lot of success on the field this year.
Is Brandon your guy?